Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you unboxing and setup of Thinkwill 3-lens solar camera. Solar panel. As you see, Thinkwill 3-lens solar camera. Memory card and SIM slot. Power on button and Type-C slot. We have turned on now. By that time we will see what's inside box. Clamp for camera and solar panel. And some screws. Now to set up on mobile. Go to Play Store and install VSki app. Open it. Register with new account. As I have already registered, I will log in. Select Add Devices. Click Allow and scan QR code behind the camera. Click Next. It will add the camera now. As you can see, camera is added now. I will set up directions. I will show demo of siren now. That's loud enough. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.